Hello everybody, I'm Nicholas Hong, Product Specialist for Life Science Solutions at Heidolph North America. Today we'll be talking about our single-channel pump heads. Heidolph single-channel pump heads can be used interchangeably with all our 6 peristaltic pumps. Currently, we offer 3 single-channel pump heads, each of which have their own unique features, allowing us to accommodate a wide range of motions. The first single-channel pump head is called the SP Standard. The SP Standard is our standard single-channel pump head, which is perfect for any dispensing task. The SP Standard comes in 2 different variants, a variant for 1.6mm wall thickness tubing and another variant for 2.5mm wall thickness tubing. The SP Standard is also constructed of 2 convex rollers, which prevents the squeezing of the tubing. This in turn allows for an even distribution of your fluid. The second single-channel pump head is called the SP Quick. The SP Quick was purpose-built for a quick and convenient swapping of your tubing. Therefore, the SP Quick is perfect for labs that test multiple samples or require a more sterile work environment. Like the SP Standard, the SP Quick comes in 2 different variants, a variant for 1.6mm wall thickness tubing and another variant for 2.5mm wall thickness tubing. Finally, the SP Quick comes with a 5-roller system, which allows for low pulsation and in return a more even distribution of your fluid. The third single-channel pump head is called the SP Vario. The SP Vario is a fairly unique single-channel pump head as it can be fitted to atypical tubing sizes. This is done through the adjustable roller mechanism, which can be fitted to the appropriate tubing sizes. Thank you for tuning in. I'm Nicholas Hong, Product Specialist for Life Science Solutions at Heidolph North America. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us in the information below.